This could be the car for you. The 2023 Nissan Murano. Relax and make the most of everyday errands or adventurous road trips in this smooth-riding Murano. Tech-savvy and upscale, this roomy midsize crossover has the features you need to feel confident on every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated mirrors, backup camera, lane keeping assist, V6 cylinder engine, remote engine start, satellite radio, power passenger seat, fog lamps, tire pressure monitoring system. Make the most of every journey when you travel in the comfort of this well-designed Murano. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.